Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Skip Marley here with a song called Change. Skip, he's the grandson of the great Bob Marley. Bobby, you recognize him perhaps? Yeah, Redemption Song. And many other songs from Bob. This is Skip Marley, and this is a great song from him. Change. We have 4 chords for this one, no need for any capo, so let's start right away. We have first A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be F, so a bar here on the first fret, all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Speaking of G, that's the next chord. We have third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is D7 sus2, long name, a short chord. So that is open D, second G, first B, and open E. So there you have all the chords you need. So let's start with this song here, the first verse. We will look at one strumming pattern, and then we will divide this into 2 parts. We need that because some chords will only play one part of it and the other chord the next part. Okay, so one full strumming round will be like this. Okay, so it's down, clap, down, down, clap. So the part 1 will be down, clap. Okay, and that's it. So, and the second part will be down, down, clap. So very easy. So together it will be down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down. Like this. All right. So with that, we have the first verse. We're gonna play A minor, 1 full strumming round, then F part 1. So just the first down clap. And then you quick change to G and play part 2, the down, down clap. That chord progression, A minor, 1 full, F part 1, and G part 2. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So a little bit slower than standard tempo will be like this. So 4 rounds of that, and that takes us to the first pre-chorus. Just love, it will stop the pain. That's where on the lyrics. Now we have a similar strumming, not really exact same, but almost. We have 4 chords here that are involved: the F to the D7 sus to G to A minor. Okay. And F will play part 1, the D will play part 2, G part 1, and A minor part 2. So what are the parts? Now, F to D7 sus, that's what we're gonna look for here. So F will play down, clap, and then immediately you play the D7, play down, clap. So 1 round will be down, clap, down, clap. That's the rhythm here. Down, clap, down, clap. So you have a short break, a short pause there after the last down before you hit the clap. So down, clap, down, and then short pause, and then clap. So F is gonna play down, clap, and then you quick change here to the D7 and play down, pause, clap. So okay, and you continue there with G to A minor in the same way. and that is one chord progression. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So a couple of rounds will be of that, and that takes us to the first chorus. It's pretty similar again. It's actually exactly the same as in the verse when it comes to the strumming. Now you're gonna play instead F part 1, so down clap, and then D7 down down clap, the part 2. And then you're gonna continue with G part 1 and A minor part 2. That chord progression you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So let's go for 2 rounds. And that is the chorus. Second verse we will play in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. The only difference here with the chorus here is that it's twice as long, okay? So instead of 2 rounds, you're gonna play it for 4 rounds. That takes us to the third verse. It's played in the same way as the previous verses. And then after that, it's actually twice as long, but yeah, it's in 4 rounds in total, so it's not twice as long, but it's 4 rounds in total. So the first 2 rounds we'll play in the same way as the other verses. Then the last 2 rounds, you will play only 1 down per chord. So it will be yeah. So just to summarize this, it was a little bit not that clear perhaps. It's 4 rounds with this chord progression A minor, F, and G. The first 2 rounds we will play in the same way as you play the other verses. But the last 2 rounds you just gonna play like I just did. 1 down per chord, having a A minor with a pause there, and then F, G, and A minor since it's twice as long. F and G. And that takes us to the final chorus. It's in the same way as the second chorus. That means 4 rounds. And that wraps it up for Change by Skip Marley. Yeah, cool to play a Marley song here, the grandson of Big Bob. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.